You came and I was happy in your sunshine. I grew to love you more each passing day. Before too long I built my world around you, and I prayed you'd love enough of me to stay. If you love me, let me know. If you don't, let me go. I can't take another minute of the day without you in it. If you love me, let it be. If you don't, set me free.